Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have a unboxing to do. It is the beauty box, the limited edition by Look Fantastic with Laura Mercier. And I'm very curious. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with the minis. The first mini is the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. It is a mini, you can see that. It's probably good when you're traveling and you don't want to bring your big pot with you. Just let me see what the price is doing. The moisturizer retails for €75 and then you've got 50 ml. So it isn't cheap, but I think it's worth it. It's very rich. It's not heavy on the skin. It really hydrates the skin and it gives you a fresh feeling, and that's something that I like. So then for the eye cream. Eye cream, okay. So the other mini is the eye cream, the Illuminating Eye Cream. It's very rich, it's very thick. So if you tap it in underneath your eyes, the puffiness is going away, but leave it for a few minutes so the skin has time to absorb it, and then it looks very fresh and young and shiny. So it retails for €63 normally for 15 ml. So it is a mini jar, but you don't need that much, but it is expensive. So there was a full size, I really like full size, primer. The Pure Canvas Primer Hydrating Silicone Free. This is the full size and it's €42. It retails for €42. So you don't need a lot from it. It's a little bit of tackiness going on. I really love it. It smells just as great as the moisturizer. And I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this one. So I'm just going to use it a lot more in other videos as well. So the Caviar stick. This is the mini size Caviar stick. This is in Au Naturel. I am wearing everything what I had in the box right now. So there is a tutorial coming about this look. If you are interested, it's next week. This is Au Naturel. You can see that it has a little sheen in the mid. Just don't look at the inner corner because that is a highlighter. But here it is. It has a little satin finish, I have to say. I really like this one. It's just put it on, blend it out and go. Sticks are retailing for €31. And how much colors do you've got? So they come in 10 colors, and from blue till neutral tones. There was a full-size blush in strawberry. I can show you the color. It isn't as intense on your cheek as it is in the pen. So that was for me like, okay, I'm not going to look like Barbie. It is very subtle and I really love it. Yeah, the pigmentation is okay. It is what I said, it's not that. What's that? Oh, no. Okay, I wiped my skin from the wetness on my face, and I just blobbed red somewhere else on my face, so this is not the look that I wanted. So this blush retails for 30 euros, and you know, a blush is something you don't finish in 3 days. So this is a normal price, I think, for a good blush. For the lipstick, it's a mini. It's pure red. Red. I really love this, how tiny it is. Okay. This one, in normal size, retails for 34 euros and 50 cents. So it isn't a stay-on lipstick, it's a silky lipstick. It is from the Rouge Essential Silky Cream lipsticks. So you will stain if you give a kiss, if you eat, if you do anything with it. So that kept in mind, it won't stay on. So 34 euros and 50 cents. Is it worth it? I think of the feeling of the lipstick, yes, it's worth it. So I really am in love with the formula. It's really soft, it's not drying out my lips, it's rich, it's good pigmented, and yeah, I like it. And that was it. I think we got through every single product in here. Oh no, it isn't it. No, we got the mascara left. The Caviar mascara. Where is the mascara? No, I want one back. The mascara. Oh, they got only one. And okay. So, the last but not least product is the mascara. The Caviar mascara. And I really love this one. Just look at what it does to my lashes. It's so pretty. So, I found out that this big size product is only 28 euros. And I really love it. 28 euros is in my book not much for a good mascara. And it's big, it's full size, it's... The bristle is nice and thick. It's a little bit twisted. The bristle is twisted, so you can really get in there. This is my new favorite, and I recommend it to everybody with the lash like me. So, I know a mascara is very personal, so just try, and if you don't like it, just resale it. Put it for sale. So this was it for this video today. I never told you how much I paid for this box, this beauty box. It was 56 euros and 45 cents. So it's a bargain, because if you count up the 3 full-size products, it was 100 euros together. So this was a real bargain, and I couldn't resist. And it is, when you want to try something out, some new products, the mini sizes are really giving you the feel of how this product is working on your skin. So you can buy something bigger if you want in the future. I know I'm going to buy a lot more of the Caviar sticks, also for in my makeup artist kit, because they are so handy, and look at the finish. I really love this. So yeah, that's what I'm going to buy. Maybe I'm going to buy the moisturizer as well in a big jar, and the eye cream. So I'm very happy that I bought this, and I'm very happy to share this with you. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time, because the next time I've got the review and tutorial, makeup tutorial about all these products. So hope to see you then. Bye!